All right. Are we here? Are we here? Yes. Welcome. Welcome. We're going to have a lot of fun. I feel so bare without my necklace. Hey y'all. My name is Mikara, personal stylist, fashion consultant, just there's so many things, but I am a part of MIIEN Consultancy. We're going to have a lot of fun. I wanted to try this. Well, actually, one of my team members suggested this, but we have been getting a lot of traction on our Pinterest profile where it focuses on nails. Summertime is all about fun, colors, less about clothing. I know there's like men's fashion week that's going on. We're not really covering it. We're shifting gears. But we have so much high traffic on nails. I said, well, let's have some fun with this. And then we started brainstorming. So we're gonna talk about summer color and nail designs, mainly nail designs. I'm gonna rate them, and then I'm going to do like a mini styling type of thing. I'm gonna look for something to match with the nail design, and you guys are actually going to see some complementary colors. I did add in that because that is something that is very notable of me, whether you found me online or if you work with me in person. I'm very, very notable with, color pairing combinations with patterns. I'm very, very sharp with that. But the nail thing, I mean, even though I style and you think of wardrobe, nails are still a part of a woman's look. It is, for some, you can be very flamboyant and artsy and playful and charismatic with your nails, and some women need to just be very pristine, clean cut. And maybe you just want to look through the bushes, you just want to see and enjoy the ride. So come along. I'm definitely going to be playing around with this. It's definitely going to be different, but I thought it was a great idea to do so because we have so much high traffic. And shout out to all of the nail techs out there, wherever you are, all over the globe. If this is one of your designs, definitely tag us. You are doing your thing, regardless if I personally like the design or if I don't take it the wrong way, but shout out to you though. Nail techs are needed. So this is our Pinterest profile. As you guys can see, we are MIIEN Consultancy, styling and creative branding. So we focus mainly on online fashion retailers who have also just pop-up experiences. That's also including fashion designers. And I also style professionals as well, professionals and personal brand creators. So before we dive into the profile, this is our little space that is dedicated. I had to, separate. Let me see if I can move out the way. I had to separate for small, and then I went with shorts, and then large, well, not large, but long nails because we just get so much traffic, and I'm going to dive into it. We don't just do nails, but like I said, it's the summertime. People are not really thinking about clothes. This is actually my slow season when it comes to styling, summertime. I love to be upfront with people, but yeah, summertime is very slow. So this is very, you know what? I didn't expect it, but it's not surprising because people are not thinking about clothes. So I'm going to dive into, a little bit of background so you guys can kind of just get to know us, build some trust. And also, if you are a fashion designer or fashion brand, not fast fashion, but fashion brand that really dives into slow designing or unique designing, definitely hit me up if you are interested in doing these types of placement because trends do shift season to season, and we have some stuff for you. All right, so here is our background. I want you guys to kind of just see this is what our profile is. We post a lot of stuff daily, weekly, a lot. We drive a lot of inspiration as well as, just posting listicles or just helping you guys get visibility as well as our individuals who just are seeking inspiration. So it's like a great ecosystem that I have created. And here are our boards. We have a zine where there's different themes. And then we got our nail board, which is right here. We just did this swimwear. If you haven't gone check out that video, definitely go ahead. Shapewear. We have so many different ways. So again, fashion designers, if you are interested, definitely hit me up. The link is in the description or find the email as well. Also, you know what? I'm gonna let you guys see it for yourself. I'm enough with the talking. I'm gonna definitely let you guys kind of just see the analytics before we dive in, and let's do it. All right, so enough with the talking. Let's dive into the analytics. Here are our analytics as of today, or this month, whenever you're seeing this. And these are our top organic nails designs that are like getting instant, I don't want to say instant, but they just have very high engagement when it comes to saves, likes, comments. Pinterest is not really big on comments, but as you can see, these are all organic. Again, fashion designers, if you are interested, I do have a digital visual merchandiser type of service where it focuses on driving traffic to you. Me and my team is very savvy, but as you guys can see while I'm talking, these are all of the nails that have high impressions. We're going to go now to engagement. Engagement is very important. That's the second. Depending on what business, depending on what's important to you, but impressions and engagements are high. And as you can see, the top three are the same for engagements or impressions. Pinterest is very good for visual. It's like a visual search engine I'm very good at. And then just looking up to seeing what people are looking for on that platform. So next up, we are going to go to saves. I don't do outward clicks because this is not my work. I'm very big on integrity. Like I stated in the beginning, or if you missed it, this is not my work. We're just using it as inspiration. Pinterest is like it's like a magazine. It's really like a digital magazine for our individuals, as well as just a source of inspiration to communicating to others. So these are all the work. So you guys can see nothing is fabricated. It's all moving. And that is our top engagement. Like I stated, outward bound, that's not our work. I am very big on integrity, as you can see some more while I'm talking. I'm very big on integrity. I just put the picture. If it's your work, comment down below. These are our metrics as well. I'm definitely giving you guys like the inside. This is like the shortcut I'm talking to you guys, fashion designers. So you guys can see the states. This is definitely a brief of our market deck. 25 to 35 is always online and offline, and 35 to 44 is like chef's kiss in person. The young ones, I mean, no offense to the young ones, but I truly indulge in, I just truly just engulf in who you are. You need to know who you are as a person, as a woman, as a man. I do dress men as well. And your other areas in your life are great, or your business, you know your business, you know your customer profile, you know your brand's value, but you are just struggling to have that dressing strategy, that styling strategy, that marketing strategy. I am here to really just define it, just absorb all of the information that you've given me and really take and also study your audience, or if you're individual, study your surroundings, what's a part of your life, and really just heighten it up. That is what I'm really, really good at. I'm really good. That is like my visual communication. I love just not saying much and really allowing my image to be the speaking piece. So let's get on to the popular one. So you guys seen it. This is the second portion of it, but we've already shown, if you guys were not paying attention, you just listen to me talk, but you see what are popular as far as impressions, extremely high impressions. They're all organic. As you can see, nothing was tweaked. High impressions, high engagement, and high saves. Outbound clicks, I'm not messing with because this is not my work. Now, if it was something styling and that got a really, really high, then that would be a different story. But no, we are focusing on summer nail colors. Well, not really summer nail colors, but summer nail designs, because all of the popular ones are designs. I mean, the color, most of them are orange, like an orange red, and then that ombre. But I don't want to say it's a popular color because I do have solid colors. I mean, one of them is MIIEN, and that's not really getting high engagements. The designs are. So if you are a girly who likes designs, buckle up. Let's have some fun.